Hey, this is NK Fabia here to review the Dodge Challenger drift car from the 2011 new models from Hot Wheels. If you watch Formula D, this is driven by drifter Samuel Hiberneti, and comes in red, and it was green, I believe. So yeah, here's the front. I have the red version, but don't know where that is at the moment. Side. Dodge logos, or Dodge Tampa vinyls and all that. Back has got a scratch there, but it's alright over there. It's got Mopar written there. The other side, Dodge, Hot Wheels logo. Yeah, good. Can't pronounce that one. Yeah, good. But it's written there. Roll. Yeah. The interior. Got a roll cage. There's seats there. And yeah. That's it. Scale of 1 to 10. Give it an 8. So yeah, thanks for watching.